In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a can't edit to-do list for clients in Basecamp. First, let's set expectations around how Basecamp handles client permissions. When you invite a client into a project, they can typically view and even edit to-dos unless you limit what they can access. Basecamp gives you two main controls. You decide which items clients can see and whether they can access the project at all. What it doesn't provide is a specific "clients can't edit this list" toggle inside to-dos. So the closest thing to a read-only experience for clients is to keep the list hidden from them. If they can't see it, they can't change it. That's the core idea we'll use. Here's how to set up that hidden, team-only to-do list. Open the project where you want to manage tasks internally. Head to the To-Dos tool. Click the option to create a new list. Give your list a clear name and start adding the items you want your team to work on. As you build the list, pay attention to the visibility setting. Do not change it. Leave it private so only your internal team can see it. By default, new lists and their items are private until you explicitly share them with clients, so keeping that default intact is what makes the list effectively read-only from a client's perspective. Once you've added your tasks, save the list. A couple of practical tips will help you keep things clean and safe. Use naming that makes the list obviously internal, like beginning the title with "internal" or "team only," so no one accidentally shares it later. After saving, take a second to confirm the privacy indicator shows that only your team can see the list. If you assign tasks or set due dates within this private list, your team will get the reminders and can complete the work, while clients remain completely blocked from viewing or editing anything on it. If you ever share a task or list with clients, remember that sharing makes it visible and interactive for them. That's why hiding the list is the most reliable workaround to prevent edits. Basecamp doesn't lock clients out of editing on a per-list basis once they can see the content, so your control comes from visibility. Keep internal work hidden and only reveal what truly needs client participation. That's it. You now understand Basecamp's client permissions and how to create a hidden to-do list that clients can't edit, using visibility to maintain control over your team's tasks.